Welcome everyone, this is Winter Blitz, attempting to record a second time. First video I screwed up a bit. Just get a cap lock on. Okay, no. Okay. Okay. So now I get to do it again. As no areas away from Earth, a planet known as the far range. You fix the view because our first day is a slight adventure. Pink slime. Look. I'm catching slimes. Dry reef. Sorry about that. No. My poke. Yeah, in this game, it's kind of funny. There are massive slimes called Gordos that eat everything. Map key. Tabby. Took me a bit longer to get a tabby sign on the other one. Just gotta find another one. Yeah, instead of making a farm, and we're going to make a pen. I'm not sure if we'll be able to keep them separate. I don't care about you, Steak. I don't care about you, Casey. That's kind of annoying. You have to get to the tutorial. Seeing I have to do that too. Good. It should cover the basics. I did everything you wanted me to. Oh my logo. If you wanna read some of those links pop up, you can pause the video and just look at them. There's a lot of things. I mean, a lot of pink poop. Pink poop galore, pink poop galore. Get away from me. I don't know if you've played this before and you know what I'm doing. I am going to be doing casual mode, so I don't have to worry about being attacked and killed by Tar in a Let's Play world. No, there's not a chicken in there, this is on the edge. I'm gonna do it over here. Good in. Cats. Alright. Better signs. It's time to do what I always do. Makes sense. This might seem a bit mean, but goodbye pink slimes. I don't need them. Sure. I'm gonna need a corpse later. I can just go into the wilds. Farm them. They hurt. View. This is the receiving teleporter. When we go. Yeah, I keep sneezing. I'll try and keep this video on for 15 minutes. I might do like 15-minute Slime Rancher episodes because I don't typically do 15 minutes. I do like 20, 25. There's not much to do in here that I really know how to do. We just want to. Okay, you need 30 food. These are fine. Take one more. Again, hug food. Phosphor slimes! I don't have a cave open though, so I can't get it effectively. Because when the day comes around, they disappear. I actually have an idea on the first place I want to open. Which is the moss blanket. Splishy. Here's a Gordo, or a Tabby Gordo, and they only eat meat. Here, baby. Time to pop my first Gordo. My first slime key. I guess I had the first place I would unlock. The moss blanket. Timus Blanket. You can toss those out, because I don't need them. Oh, and I was on the Pony Concordia server today. There were two players having a very interesting conversation about fake money. One of them said they printed it on the server, and the other one said he got it from Monopoly. He used the other pieces to make coins, plates, and spices. The houses don't want spice in the spices. my goal here is honey slimes. Lots of Q-berries. I'll go through. There's one. Yes. Shoot. Oh. That sucks. At least I got 300 coins though. I'm exploring well beyond what I'm supposed to. It's gone like 17 minutes actually, so I think I might do it normally. I just didn't think I'd be able to get what I wanted to do today in this episode. I've already done what I wanted to do, essentially. Well, start with. Oh no. I don't know what to do with hunter slimes yet. I just walked over it. These are the ones I don't want. Oh. Honey George. Fire. Boom. Pink. That's nice. No. No. Cursed beasts. No. No. You go up there. I just can't really make them really that happy anymore. I know. Stupid bugs. See, this is the first teleport I'm gonna have unlocked that I can't actually get back to unless I walk here. Because this is the receiving one. I walk through it, it brings me back here. Hey, don't be mean. I haven't really shot to it. garden. Just 44 bits left. Oh, whatever you want to call it. Numbucks, bits, coins, gold. Oh my god, that's a lot of phosphor slimes. Are you kidding me? No. Go away, you stupid slime. Massive 3 seconds. How'd you get out? Loop. Oh. I don't know how. Farm roll. No, I guess that's not true, because like no. Okay, well, I think that'll be it for this episode. I unfortunately can't, like, go into different perspectives on, like, first-person shooter shit. Wait, I didn't have 5 tabbies. What? Walls, I need 350. Damn it. I'll try and get that in between episodes. Oh, actually, I think I should go get it. It should be the plots out here. Yeah. That's something adequate, but it should do. I mean, not really what I wanted, I'm gonna say. I need 2 more floors. Why do you keep getting out? Do I get the high walls? Keeping them with me. Oh, but there's one thing I wanted to show all of you. My main room. Yeah, Zeus. This is one of the newer updates. I hope it didn't do it inside. But It's with the silos. They have made it so for, I guess, multiple stacks, multiple boosts, food. Not to mention, they upgraded the amount you can do it to. So that's there. I can add 2 more things. Oh, as I said, this was going to be the end of the episode. So if you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, rate, comment, and what to do, you know what to do. And if you're new, subscribe. Now this is Winter Blitz.